This section is all about editing and fine editing your clips in the timeline. I personally think this is where Resolve excels. I like it very much. It allows so much fine editing. You will learn several techniques here. You will start with the basic trim in the selection mode, how to edit clips within the timeline in the source monitor, which is going to make editing very interactive. Among others, I will show you how to trim to start, trim to end, resize and ripple. How to perform an extend edit, I'm sure you will like this one, and how to perform precision trimming a frame at a time. Also, you will see how to use the slip and slide. In DaVinci Resolve, you have the GKL keys with the trim mode and the dynamic mode together. You will perform some very nice lift and extract very dynamically. In short, it's all about fine editing your clips in the timeline, and I will show you several methods. In this section, completing your assignment is very important to achieving even more in Resolve, so I hope you will complete it and upload it to YouTube for all of us to see it.